This is TecQuipment's benchtop air conditioning trainer designed to teach the fundamental principles of air conditioning by simulating a simple air conditioning system that you might find in your local supermarket or even your house. You can demonstrate the cooling and dehumidifying process of removing heat from the indoor air to cool the indoor environment and change the humidity. Using this piece of equipment, students can learn how to use psychrometric charts in their calculations. They can determine the enthalpy change in the airflow. They can see how this rate of airflow changes the COP of the system, and they can also analyse the refrigeration cycle. The term air conditioning refers to the control of not only the indoor environment to maintain a personal comfort level, but also the process of maintaining industrial environments. Air conditioning systems are now widely used across the globe. In order for students to understand the refrigeration cycle and the air conditioning process, we've included low pressure and high pressure transducers and gauges here, which are constantly monitoring 2 points in the circuit. To maintain these pressures at a constant safe level, we also have a safety pressure switch mounted here. There are 4 temperatures constantly being monitored in this circuit, which are done by these thermocouples here, and these allow the students to calculate the potential for superheating and subcooling. Due to the integrated data acquisition hardware, we can connect this product via USB to our computer, and on the computer we can include our VDAS data acquisition software. This software will collate all of the experimental data from the product and display it here. It will also calculate the refrigeration and air parameters required, and then allow you to map these processes on the psychrometric and pressure-enthalpy charts. Should the student wish to do this manually, they can do so via these 2 LCD screens here with the information on, and then they can map the processes on the charts provided.